Hello and welcome back to Classroom and Teaching Tips. Today I'll share how to record the daily attendance for your students in your classroom, and this is the booklet that I use in the classroom for recording my students' attendance. Here I list the names of the students. These are the boys and these are the girls in alphabetical order, and this one here are the months where I record the daily attendance for the students. So today I'm going to show you how I calculate the attendance for the month of July. So every day when the students comes to school, I usually mark when they are present. I usually mark the small boxes. I put the tick, and if they are absent, I put a 0 on the boxes. So at the end of the month, I total up. I count all the ticks and I write the total number of ticks on the side, and then I total them up and I write the total number of days present. That's for the boys, and I do the same for the girls. Okay, after when I finish totaling up the daily attendance for the month, I move to the extract of attendance. On the extract of attendance, you will see number of open days and total attendance and average daily attendance. So in here you will see on the number of open days for the month of July is 19. I come back to the month of July. I get this 219 total attendance for the boys, and I write it down here next to where the I label B is for the boys and G is for the girls. So boys is 219. That's on the total daily attendance or total attendance. Then the girls is 200, and I get this total here and I write it here. Okay, when this is done, I go back to the average daily attendance. How to do average daily attendance is you get the total for the boys and you divide by 19 open days for the month of July, and then you get the average here. You write it there, and then you do the same for the girls. 200 divided by 19 open days is 10. So I write it down here. I total it up and it gives me 21. So this is how I record the daily attendance for the students. I total them up and then I do the extract of attendance. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to Classroom and Teaching Tips for more classroom tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.